Nilihin pen litum Karbi Nokbe club ahin pensame kardom bajero kardom litum ponapor kaduri pensame nang tuma chop hapen ke bang pot chorolo asi kalang lo litum question ma nagar jubang ke lapulo jeni litum non khela ahin nidi cricket long karbing long cricket do football do anso se sports do puai pitch tamin tum cricket bang anso se aprang pali din phani tum an bori lo non bang ke kisiman tum kela drugs ki chuta do di lahai ke paviri phan lapen kaprek kaprek muni tum asonamu ke camp lapen oke pran pa miseni phan lahai phansi ni tum cricket tournament ma ki host lo la so prang tamin tum host bom lo night tournament sto host lo non day bang tene akonon kicheng men ko host lo non Kechengsi ni tum first Karbi Nokbe ako host lo la so phi ako non ke bang ji tournament do o sila te ako ke bang ji dola ako ning hangatum nang joni tum ta me ready lang tum exabi bom winner bang ke sorry phokep lapin the trophy pu lahan lo yo trophy bang winner with trophy la so phi first runner up mante la final long kerem tum stame latum mang phan man tame 30000 with along with trophy nala join fees bang ke suri ke thomra pharo pho nala for coming so we would like this tournament is actually we host it we are the host we are Karbi Nokbe. So actually our aim and objective about this tournament we are hosting is like there's a lot of people those who are addicted in drugs and all these things, so we are likely to promote a new generation and just to spend more time in sports for good health, etc.
Of today's event. And of course, that event will normally host the ladies in Islam competition. First, Karbi Nokbe cricket competition. This is for the first time in Karbi district. Organizers, they are organizing something which is extraordinary. And you know, sports is indispensable part of our life because sports culture is really built, this kind of values will build our future generation. That will help youngsters to grow, to maintain discipline, and hope during your play you will be well disciplined and you will perform your best in each and every match. And those who will be the winner, I know you should be trying for much better performance. And those who will be losing, they should not be disheartened. And remember that failure is the pillar of success. So I wish all of you best of luck. Thank you. Thank you.
No.
Line
Hello. After a few minutes, we are going to start our tournament, and I would like to request Mr. EPS Sarkar to join me in the commentary box, as he's also a very well-known commentator of the town.